Hey guys, it's me, Thomas the Derp Engine here. Today I'm going to be announcing Thomas the Derp Engine season. Do you know the word? Percy, please don't mess this take up. Okay, Thomas, I won't. Hey guys, me, Thomas the Derp Engine here today, and I'm going to be announcing Thomas the Derp Engine season. Look at me, I'm the most splendid engine on all of Sodor. Hey guys, it's me, Thomas the Derp Engine here, and today I'm going to be announcing Thomas the Derp Engine season. Enough of him, now over to me, Thomas the Dank Engine. Really?